Welcome to the SkyBitz Kinnect and SkyVue installation video for standard dry van trailer installations. Here are the components and tools you will be using through this process. Pause on this screen to ensure you have everything necessary. Please wear safety glasses and any other protective gear required by the rules of the installation facility. The SkyBitz Kinnect and SkyVue mount to the exterior front wall of a dry van trailer. This location is optimal for solar exposure as well as protection from external damage. The dimensions are guidelines and may be adjusted to avoid mounting on top of any logos or asset identification. For a plate nose trailer, the device will be mounted to the front wall horizontally, about 3 inches down from the bottom of the top rail, and about 12 inches over from the roadside edge with the connector on the left. For a sheet and post nose trailer, the device will be mounted to the front wall in relatively the same orientation and location, unless the location and spacing of the rivets and posts on the front wall prohibit fitting the device horizontally as described. In some instances, the device will need to be mounted vertically about 3 inches down from the bottom of the top rail and about 12 inches from the roadside edge with the connector at the top, as shown in this video. Please note, the device should never be installed on the top of the trailer and should not cover logos or other customer markings. For this example, the vertical position has been selected to fit below the trailer ID number. Begin by activating the device to ensure it receives all its updates by the time the installation is completed. This will help to expedite the installation verification testing required to release the asset into service. Important: do not place activated devices back in the box. Once activated, a device needs to be installed. Remove the Kinnect or SkyVue from the box and make sure it is outdoors or near the end of a work bay with the door open and a clear view of the sky. To activate the SkyBitz device, hold the magnet in the location shown between the LED light and the sticker until the LED begins to blink rapidly. Once the LED begins to blink rapidly, hold the magnet in place until the LED changes to a slower blink of about once per second. This fast to slow blink transition confirms the SkyBitz Kinnect or SkyVue has been activated and should occur within 15 seconds after the fast blink starts. Align the top of the bracket 3 inches down from the lowest part of the top rail and 12 inches over from the roadside edge and mark the mounting locations. Be sure to look inside the trailer as sometimes the lowest part of the trailer top rail can only be seen from inside the trailer. Prep the trailer wall for the 3 VHB tape mounting surface locations. Clean with IPA solution. Abrade lightly with Scotch-Brite pad. Clean again with IPA solution. Prime with 3M Primer 94 and wait at least 3 minutes. Use the bracket to mark 6 rivet holes. Remove the liner from the 3 VHB tape locations on the bracket. Place the bracket onto the mounting location on the trailer wall and firmly press it onto the wall. Use the rivet holes in the bracket as a guide and drill 6 1/8 inch holes in the trailer wall. Secure the bracket to the wall with the 6 1/8 inch ceiling rivets using a diagonal pattern. Orient the device with the connector on the left for a horizontal install or with the connector at the top for a vertical install. Using a hand driver, secure the device to the bracket with 4 1032 tamper-proof screws. Fasten the short shroud to the device with 2 1032 tamper-proof screws. Remove the serial number sticker and tape from the device. Clean an area near the trailer 7-way with the alcohol solution and apply the serial number sticker to the trailer. To finish the installation and verification, use the SkyBitz SkyMobile application. Kinnect and SkyVue require the use of SkyMobile. SkyBitz tools cannot be used for these devices. SkyMobile is available to download from the Android Play Store and Apple App Store. If you have credentials from SkyBitz tools, those same credentials will work with SkyMobile. To obtain credentials, please reach out SkyBitz customer care at 1-866-8-SkyBitz, 1-866-875-9248, or customercare.skybitz@amatech.com. Log into the SkyMobile app and tap Installations. Tap the plus sign and scan the Kinnect or SkyVue serial number barcode and tap Next. If installing a Kinnect, you will be asked whether the device is externally powered. If you are installing a connection to the 7-way or ABS power, answer yes. Otherwise, answer no. Note that SkyVue does not offer this option, so this message will not be displayed. Set the asset type to dry van or the appropriate asset type. Enter the trailer asset ID. Optionally enter the trailer license plate or VIN, then tap Save. Tap the Done button and you return to the installation screen. For SkyVue, you will see the new asset listed, typically with a green checkmark. This means your device is working properly and the installation and verification is complete. If a yellow information icon is displayed, tap on the row and follow the instructions for what is required to finish verification. It is not ideal, but is still okay to deploy the trailer if there is a yellow checkmark with the message GPS pending. For Kinnect, there is one more verification step. You will see a new asset listed on the installation screen with a yellow information icon next to it. Tap on the row and follow the instructions for what is required. At a minimum, tap the button Verify Kinnect LEDs. This will cause a blue light on the Kinnect to flash. You will be prompted with a dialog asking if your LED is blinking. If so, tap Yes. Screen will now say Installation Complete. When you return to your installation screen, you'll see the yellow icon has been replaced with a green checkmark. This means your device is working properly and the installation is complete. If you have trouble with any step in the process, contact your organization or SkyBitz customer care.